Hello and welcome back to the channel. Did you know that you can make jam from guavas? Well, watch, learn and enjoy. I'll use these guavas from a farm in the village. Wash the guavas very well. Then cut your guavas into smaller pieces. This is how they look after cutting. Pour them in a dry pan or sufuria. Add 2 cups of water and let it simmer for around 30 minutes. Remove from the fire and let it cool a bit. Then pour into your blender and blend until you get a smooth paste. Using a sieve, sieve the mixture to remove the seeds and any other particles. This is how our mixture looks like after sieving. Return the mixture to the pan or sufuria and cook it over low heat. You can add a sweetener of your choice, honey or sugar, and in my case I'm using sugar. Give it a good stir and let it simmer for some time for us to get a thick paste. Leave it to cool, then pack it in your jars. And there you have it, our guava jam. Enjoy. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel for more. See you in my next video. Bye.